in today's rapidly evolving digital world, so education has become more accessible than ever. So, but truly inclusivity is still a challenge. So, what if we could create a system where everyone, regardless of their abilities, can learn, communicate, and grow equally? So here we have, I am here to present our project, a smart assertive e-learning platform for sensory impaired learners. So it is nothing but our Sign Connect. So this system integrates AI, NLP, and computer visions that to provide a seamless and inclusive learning experience. So our platform is designed as a unified system that supports interactions through gestures, speech, and text. It includes a multiple modules such as admin, deaf, mute, and visual impaired interfaces. So we focus on the adaptive learning and intelligent chatbot support. So the system starts with secure login followed by a role-based access control. Based on the user role like admin or a learner, the system activates and relevant features. So this is our registrations page and this is login page. Here we start with admin module. So the admin plays a key role in managing the system. Here the admin can manage the users and monitor the activities, update the AI models and control system operations. So all the user data and systems records are stored in the SQLite database and allowing efficient data management and monitoring. So all the data were stored in this SQLite viewer web app. So in this, the admin can visualize the users and news, uh, learners, learning progress, assessment, study material like that. So basically, what admin can do means they can upload the study material. So which is a material type? It can be any material type like video or image, voice or audio or text document. And this system is mainly focused on preparing for the government exams for visual sensory impaired learners. So they have to crack the exams and they need a guidance for learning. So we created this app. Basically, the targeted group 1, group 2, and advanced level also. So, in this, the admin can upload the study materials, and this is a news article. Like, we have to know the current updates and the current news for the government exam preparations. So, for that, the admin side, they upload the news title and the content, or if there is any exam announcement from the government side, the admin can include in that, so that the learners can visualize and learners can know about the exam dates. And this is the assessment. So in this, the admin can create the assessment like title, descriptions, and difficulty level like basic or intermediate advanced. And this is the target groups. And here the admin can type their questions and they include option and add options, and they also have the right to add more questions, and they finally they create an assessment. So as we see, the news articles or the users list shown in the admin page. Next shift we have to move on the deaf. And this is our deaf dashboard. So in that, for speech impaired users, the system converts the gestures into both the text and the voice input. This allows the users to communicate with others who may not understand the sign language. So like that, through the live camera feed, if the user shows their sign means, so what they try to communicate, it will be displayed. Like for example, just show the signs means the camera will capture the sign and it will be predicted what they try to speak. So like that, it is a real-time sign language recognitions we have. Then Then switch on to learning dashboard. So in that, um, the users can learn the topics like
Hi friends, good day to all. Today we are going to discuss exam hall tips because exam hall tips is very important because whatever you have studied, whatever you prepared
so
well,
like this
this
they can
particularly
learn
3
through the
hours
videos.
uh, plays a
They can understand the topics and they can understand the content through the sign language. So this is our learning dashboard, and there is a exam preparations for they have to prepare for their government exams, right? So first of all, they have the access to study material to download. They have the offline access, and we have give a practice test based on the learning. So it is categorized as basic, intermediate, and advanced level. So like this, they can understand the questions and answer to that. They can take the practice test and visualize the scores, and they also it shows a percentage. And next one is news. So, like from the admin, they posted or update the news content, and from the learner side, it will be show. So, if there any exam coming or if there any current affairs uh, running in the world, it will be uploaded by the admin, and the users can visualize it. Apart from the practice test, there is an assessment also because they have to test their knowledge within the time constraints. So, so within the time constraints, we created the assessment for all the users. They can answer to the questions and visualize the scores. Next, we move into the mute dashboard. So this is mute dashboard. Basically, the features is same for both the deaf, mute, and visual. But what it differ means for the mute, they have the
Welcome to
additional
Sign
features
Connect
with
Mute
the voice
Dashboard.
guided assessment. Sorry, voice guidance. So, but the features is common for all like sign language prediction, text to sign converter. So in this, we if we enter the text means it be converted into the sign language. So we also have the text to sign language predictions, and already we see that the learning and exam preparations. So
Study
both are
Materials section.
available at the voice and the visuals. So there is a difference in this.
Exam announcement. Apps Group 1 Prelims results out. Check official website now. Jitradij Kufut VGFTYGGYTRFYTG.
So like this, it will be support through their voice, and assessment
Welcome
also
to Voice Guided Assessments.
available in the voice.
All
They have
assessments
taken
include
in
voice
their
instructions.
voice also. And next we switch on to visual.
Welcome, Jaya. I'm your voice assistant.
So for visual impaired users, we provide the voice-based interactions. Speech input is processed using MFCC-based feature extraction and converted into text. So the system also provides text-to-speech output and enabling the fully accessible experience. Like, hi,
Please say hi to start the conversation.
hi,
Hello, how can I help you? You can say practice exam, news, or assessment.
practice exam. Practice exam.
Practice exam. There are 5 questions. I will read each question and the options. After reading, you can say A, B, C, or D for your answer. Say, repeat to hear the question again. Or stop to end the exam. 1 of 5. What is the capital of India? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Chennai. Please say A, B, C, or D.
A.
Please say A.
Click the interactive voice session button to start a conversation.
So all features is available for the visually impaired dashboard also. So in that fully it will be guided through the voice.
News, exam announcement. Apps Group 1 prelims results out. Check official website now.
So an adaptive learning mechanisms dynamically adjust the quiz difficulty based on the user performance. So we provide the learning materials in all the multimodal formats like text, audio, and sign supported, ensuring the accessibility for all the users. So next we move to switch on to the next feature. So in this we have the community forum. To enhance the interactions, we have included the community forum. So the users can ask the questions through the text, voice, or explore the recent or popular queries and learn collaboratively. So this transforms the platform into an interactive learning ecosystem. Also, we have created the chatbot. So this is our AI chatbot. It is an NLP based intelligent chatbot is integrated into our system. It understands the user queries and predict the intent and provides the real time responses, assisting the users in learning and navigations. So in this, the users can clear the instant queries and instant doubt means they can clear with our chatbot. And also we have the sign dictionary. So in the sign dictionary, the users can enter the word and they can get the sign like so they can enter the word and they get the sign for what it is. So like that we have integrate with the sign language dictionary. So project all the modules are integrated into unified architectures, ensuring the real-time performance, low latency, and seamless communications between the components. So the project is not just about the technology, it is about inclusion. By combining the AI with accessibility, we aim to break communication barriers and provide equal learning opportunities for everyone. So our system demonstrates how intelligent technologies can create more inclusive, interactive, and empowered digital learning environment. So, because the true innovation is not just building the smarter systems, but building the systems that include everyone. So, thank you all. Thank you.